Kiran. Good morning, Divya. Divya. Good morning, Kiran. How are you today? Kiran. I am fine. What about you? Divya. I am doing well. Where are you going? Kiran. I am going to the office. And you? Divya. I'm going to college. Kiran. What time does your class start? Divya. My class starts at 9:30 a.m. Kiran. Oh, you still have time. Divya. Yes, I came early today. Kiran. That is good. I usually come late. Divya. Why do you come late? Kiran. I wake up late in the morning. Divya. You should sleep early at night. Kiran. Yes, you are right. What time do you wake up? Divya. I wake up at 6 o'clock every day. Kiran. That is very early. Divya. Yes, I go for a walk in the morning. Kiran. Really? I want to start walking too. Divya. Walking is good for health. Kiran. I know, but I feel lazy. Divya. You can start slowly. Kiran. That is a good idea. Divya. Do you eat breakfast every day? Kiran. Sometimes I skip breakfast. Divya. That is not good. Breakfast is important. Kiran. What do you usually eat? Divya. I eat idli, dosa, or fruits. Kiran. Sounds healthy. Divya. What about you? Kiran. I usually drink coffee and rush to the office. Divya. You should take care of your health. Kiran. Yes, nowadays I feel tired often. Divya. Maybe you are not sleeping well. Kiran. That may be true. Divya. Do you work late at night? Kiran. Sometimes. I also use my phone a lot at night. Divya. That can affect sleep. Kiran. I will reduce screen time from today. Divya. Good decision. Kiran. By the way, which subject do you like the most? Divya. I like English very much. Kiran. Your English is improving well. Divya. Thank you. I practice speaking every day. Kiran. How do you practice? Divya. I watch English videos and read newspapers. Kiran. That is interesting. Divya. You can also practice with friends. Kiran. Yes, but sometimes I feel shy. Divya. Do not worry about mistakes. Speak confidently. Kiran. You are right. Practice makes us better. Divya. Exactly. Kiran. What do you want to become in the future? Divya. I want to become a software engineer. Kiran. That is great. I hope you achieve your dream. Divya. Thank you, Kiran. Kiran. Do you use social media often? Divya. Only for a short time. I try to avoid wasting time. Kiran. That is very disciplined. Divya. What do you do in your free time? Kiran. I listen to music and watch movies. Divya. Which type of movies do you like? Kiran. I like comedy and action movies. Divya. Nice. I like motivational movies. Kiran. Have you watched any good movie recently? Divya. Yes, I watched a movie about hard work and success. Kiran. That sounds inspiring. Divya. Yes, it motivated me a lot. Kiran. Sometimes we need motivation in life. Divya. True. Positive thinking is important. Kiran. I agree with you. Divya. Oh look, the bus is coming. Kiran. Finally. We were waiting for a long time. Divya. Yes. Today the bus is late. Kiran. It happens sometimes. Divya. Shall we get in? Kiran. Yes, let's go. Divya. Have a nice day, Kiran. Kiran. You too, Divya.